Ayan o. Grabe haba pala no. Haba pala itong caves na to, mami. Ang haba pala. Grabe pala yung... Grabe pala yung mga daan dito. Ang dami. Parang yung mga langgambay ka na naggawa-gawa ng mga ayos naging tourist spot eh oh. Ayan ah. Sarado na oh. Ayos din nakaisip nito eh. Naging negosyo eh. Ah, makagbuho to oh. Grabe no, hindi naguguho no. Grabe no. Huh? Ha? Grabe oh. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Dami. Ilang pasukan to? Ilang kanto ba to? Sarado na. Paapat na kanto na to. Apat na kanto. Apat na kanto. Apat na kanto na tong pinasok ko na to. Puro in road. Ay, dito sa taas. Dito, mami. Dito. Ah, ito oh. Ayan oh. Taas oh. Taas. Ayan oh. Ah, ito na yung end. Ito na yung end. Ayan, ito na pala yung end.
They went to that cave, which is called Cave of Skulls nowadays, and because they know the place, they use spears. And the Ottoman soldiers use swords, and that cave is so narrow, so the soldiers they cannot swing their swords. So they just made them like donuts, kebabs. Yeah. And my grandfather used to say that they found a lot of skulls and a lot of armors, shields, and everything. That's why it's called
Awesome.
Can you go there? Yeah,
It
fine.
is shut it now, but there's another entrance.
Which is also shut.
Yeah.
I can imagine you can slay somebody, you can pierce somebody in the bone.
Tara na.
So small.
Yeah, it's very fun, but probably learn
Naikot na natin ito lahat. Ganda exercise. Naikot na natin oh. Mahaba ito naikot natin.
Wala na doon.
Wala na. End, ano na? End,
Point na.
end point na. Ayan oh. Ilang kanto yun? Isa. Bilangin ko ilang kanto tong pinasukan na to ha. Isa. Kaliwa. Dalawa. Ito, mahaba rin to. Dalawa.